In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. Let's start right at the source. Open the Notion website in your browser so you're looking at your workspace. Once you're in, decide where you want the copy to live. You can either create something fresh by clicking New Page or simply open the page you already have where the table is located. Either option works. The duplication process is the same. Next, find the table you want to copy. This can be an inline table inside a page or a full database view embedded on the page. If you're not sure you're looking at a table, look for the familiar grid of columns and rows, with properties like text, select, or date across the top. When you've located it, hover your mouse around the left edge of the table block. You should see a small handle appear, 6 little dots arranged in a rectangle. This is the block handle, and it's how you access the controls for that entire table. Move your cursor over those 6 dots and click them. That opens the block menu, which gives you quick actions for the whole table. Among the options in this menu, look for duplicate. Go ahead and click duplicate. Notion will immediately create a full copy of that table right on the page. You'll see the new version appear, typically just below the original. It includes the same columns, the same settings, and all the rows that were in the original at the moment you duplicated it. A few helpful notes as you review the result. Duplicating a table creates a separate instance, so changes you make to the new table won't affect the original one. If the table is a view of an existing database, the duplication copies that view and its configuration. The underlying database remains the same, which is great if you need a similar layout or filter but want to keep the original intact. You can now rearrange the copied table on the page, use it as a template for variations, or keep it side by side with the original for comparison. If you don't immediately see the duplicate, scroll a bit on the page. It's there. And that's it. Open the Notion website, go to a new page or the page you have, find your table, click the 6-dot handle to open the block menu, and click Duplicate, G8. With that simple sequence, you can quickly replicate any table and keep your workflow consistent and organized.